Hi everyone, good evening to all of you and a very happy Diwali to all. So this session is something really very special. I'm going to share my screen first of all, and we are going to make a project that's based on Diwali. For making this project, I am sharing a screen and will let you know what thing we are going to make for the celebration. Actually, I like to celebrate it with the rangoli and with the decoration. Some of you may like to, have Diwali celebration with crackers. So I'm not going to use crackers, but I will use some decorative thing for the Diwali, and this will be also helpful for you to learn. First thing, you will write pictoblocks.ai in the new tab, and it will open. You can open it from this link. Okay, I'm just sending you the link also in the chat box. Just wait, let it open first. So when you write pictoblocks.ai, it will open like that. Let me share a link with you all in the chat box. I have sent the link for you all, and I'll come with a block coding. First thing, I will make a very basic Diwali story. So I'm going to select my backdrop for Diwali. I am taking a backdrop as this night city because Diwali is all about having colorful lights, and I will make some diya. So I'm just taking a circle. I'm just moving it like this way, giving this diya a color, something like this. Oh no, it's very bright red. I'll give little bit. I'm selecting this arrow and just be careful about it. I'm just holding this point and moving it little bit down. Holding this point, moving it little bit up, so that it can create a diya shape for me. Okay. Now what next is, I'm just double click on this point, uh, and I'm just moving it little bit down. This point also moving little bit down, and double click and little bit down. Okay, this is what the diya you can do. And now I'm just painting some light. So I'm just taking this color of light. What I can do for the light is I'll select a circle. I'm just making a circle like this way. Okay. And the same thing I will do. I'll make some shadow. So I will mix up these two colors only, like this way only. Okay. And then I'm just lightening it up little bit like this side. I'm selecting this arrow. Let me zoom in little bit. I'm just giving this light some shape. So I'm just putting it little bit here. Then I'm clicking on this node, moving it little bit here, clicking on this node, a kind of this. And this is perfect light for me, I guess. Yeah, this is absolutely perfect diya light. So this is my first diya, okay, for the Diwali. Exactly same way I will make a lot. So I'm giving this diya a size as 20. What I'm going to do, I'll do duplicate of this diyas. So I'll select this, I'll do copy and paste, and I'm just moving this diya over this side. Then do copy paste and moving diya this side. And again, copy paste. I'm just moving this here and moving this diya this side. Okay. So this is done. Now I'm just putting diyas over here. So this is my first diya. I'm just giving 50. Let me make it 50 so that, it looks good. But 50 will be very big. Let me do it 30. Yeah, 30 for diyas are fine, I guess. Okay, I'm just putting it over here as an edge boundary. And then I'll make a duplicate of this diya, and this will be 20 I can give, and I'm just moving it over here. Then again duplicate diya, and this time I will color with different frames. So I'm just picking this diya color, and now I'm just moving these diyas over here. But this time it will be 10. And yeah, and again I'll do duplicate and change this time the color of the it can be blue and some other combination. Yeah, so I'm just filling these diyas with this. So this diya can be over here. Okay, so I think I have lightened up a lot of diyas, and the next part is I'm going to giving diyas a position. When green black click, go to X and Y. The same thing, I'll move it here, here, and here. So I duplicate the blocks, but I need to change go to X and Y because the position of every diya is different. Now what I'm going to do, I will delete Toby, and I will pick one character, that's Hazel. Because it's Diwali, I want my Hazel to look beautiful. I'm just putting bindi of Hazel, and this can be of red color. So I'm just putting red color bindi, and the size should be small. So I'm just selecting this and moving it inside little bit like this way. Okay, and this will be only of one color bindi. That's red. Yeah. Now I want Hazel to wear something. Okay, this is good costume. It's just I need to make changes with the size only. So with this also, I'm just moving it down like this way. And I'm selecting a shade of the costume. So I will take some pink shade and a combination of some other magenta kind of. And I'm just putting it over here. And this should be a quite yellow shade. I'm taking this one and I'm putting this combination over here. Yeah, this looks good. Now for this upper part, I will design something. I'm going to design some buttons over here, and I will select this, and I'm putting this part above, little bit above. Okay, and this is fine. And the color I will pick is this one. That's cool. And the same thing, I'm picking this color, and I will pick the color, this one. That's cool for Hazel. Now, for Hazel, I also want to have some dupatta. That will be of yellow color dupatta for the Hazel. So I'm just taking yellow color dupatta for Hazel. Ting, 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 ting. Let me check. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so it's a dupatta and she looks so cool. This bindi is so big, I guess. So I need to make this size very small. And let me zoom in a little bit. So I'm just moving it from holding this sign more. Yes. Over here. Yeah. Okay, it's perfect. Yeah. So my hazel costume for the Diwali is the perfect one. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this girl and I'm just holding this hand, moving it like this way, like other costumes, and flip horizontal. Okay, flip horizontal, flip vertical. Yes, flip vertical. So that it should be like this way. So first costume is this only, right? And if I'm moving it to here, that's fine. First costume is this one. Second costume is this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this costume and this is this one. So what I will do is I'm just do copy and paste. I'm taking this costume over here like this way and this will be little bit down. So I'm just moving it little bit down over here. Yes, this is absolutely fine. Okay. And little bit above. Okay. And this will be like this from here. Okay. And now I'll do convert to bitmap. And for bitmap, I need to erase this hand part. So you can use eraser only when you do convert to bitmap. Now you will go back to convert to vector. So when you do convert to vector, it will come something like that. Convert to vector. Okay. So this is first, this is second, not so like that. Okay. So these are three costumes and I'm going to delete this one. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. So what is she's doing? Hazel is standing at a point and Hazel will start from this point. She needs to walk. So for walking animation, you will take repeat some number of steps. You will move 15 steps, change the costume. That's next costume. And we'll wait for some time. That's of 0.2 seconds. Now, and she will say, hello everyone, it's Diwali today. So text to speech, no, I will take sound. I'll use sound. I'll put play sound. I'll do the recording. Hi everyone, today it's Diwali. Let's celebrate the Diwali together. So now I'll play this sound. Let me save first. I'll stop share because I need to share my screen with sound. Yeah, I think the sound is now. Hi everyone, today it's Diwali. Let's celebrate the Diwali together.
Hi everyone, today it's Diwali. Let's
Okay, so she's going to say this thing. So I'm just taking recording one. Now let's see.
Hi everyone, today it's Diwali. Let's celebrate the Diwali together.
Okay, so now what happens is she has to say this thing as well. So not play until done. You will start sound recording and also she has to say. Hi everyone, it's Diwali and Let's celebrate together. Okay, so this will be more explanative. Let's see.
Hi everyone, today it's Diwali. Let's celebrate the Diwali together.
Okay, so what she is going to do on Diwali is I'll use another sound recording. I want to make a beautiful rangoli for my house. Let's make it together. So she's saying she's going to make.
I want to make a beautiful rangoli for my house. Let's make it together.
Yeah. So let's make it together. So now she will say, according to, and she will say, let's make rangoli together. Okay. Now afterwards, the backdrop is going to switch with some very simple one. So she can make rangoli on this light one. Okay, and this is fine. The diya's position will be fine. It's fine. So you will change the backdrop. So initially what you're going to do, you will take switch backdrop to night city, and she will say this thing and change the backdrop to light one. And afterwards, when backdrop switch to light, when backdrop switch to light, she will glide to this position. So she will glide to the position. So you will take glide X and Y. And now I'm going to take another extension, that is pen extension, that's going to make the rangoli. So I'm taking pen extension, and here I want to take the sprite for the pen. So I'll take bullet sprite. I'll go to the costume. Let's wait for bullet sprite to come because it's not visible till now. Okay, it's coming over here. What we'll do, we'll go to the costume part, and I'm just going to take this one and I'm just moving it over here. So now when I do this, I should move this actually to the point, this point. Okay, so this is my point, and I will go to the block section. I'll start making the Rangoli design now. So this Rangoli design is actually start when the backdrop switch. So when the backdrop switch, this should come like switch to the light, then only I'm going to show my cursor. Okay. And when green flag clicked, I'm going to hide my cursor because I don't want it to be here. And it should show to the position that will be go to X and Y. It's 0 and 0. So the first thing I'm going to make a design that is a pentagon. Okay, so how do you make a pentagon or hexagon? Like this is hexagon where you have 6 sides. How do you find the angle? You can find easily. You will do 360 divided by 6. You can use online calculator. I will show you how. You can come over here. You will write for online calculator. It will come in the suggestion. And you will write 360 divided by 6. So the degree for hexagon will be 60. So let's make now. What we'll do is we will first of all do pen up because we don't want anything to, have like to draw something. Even over here, I'm doing pen up. After doing pen up, let me see the cursor. It's fine. After doing pen up, I will select the pen color. So suppose I'm selecting this one only, and set pen size. So I'm setting a pen size as 7. Let me remove this part. Okay. And after this, I will start drawing a hexagon. So for making a hexagon, what I need to do is I will take a repeat block. Something is going to repeat for 6 times. What? 6 times it is repeating. Move. How many steps? I am taking 20 steps only. 20 will be very less, I guess. So I'm taking 30 steps. It will move forward and it will take turn of 60 degree as we calculated just now. Okay. And it should also wait while moving and taking turns. So wait for 0.5 seconds so that it will be clearly visible for you all that what is here we are making. So here if we are doing pen down over here, then let's see what is happening. Okay, so set pen size. Initially, okay, I got it. I want this pen should be over here. And I'm just going to change the position. Sometimes this happens, so you just need to change the position. Okay, let's see now. First thing, you will also do erase all. So I'm just taking erase all. You can do erase all and start. Got it? Now what I'm going to do is this blue one is actually coming in the middle of my rangoli. So I'm just taking when backdrop switch to light, I will hide this. And when it is green flag click, you will show this. That's it. So yeah, it's hidden. So it's making a hexagon. Now after making a hexagon, what I want, actually I'm using a loop and then a loop. Basically, I want to make 6 hexagons. How do I make that? First thing is, I made 1 hexagon. Afterwards, what I'm going to do, I'll go to motion and I will take move 30 steps again. Because as I can see that my cursor is over here. Now it will move 30 steps and then I will do the same because I want to make 6 hexagons, right? Okay. So what I will do, it will make 1 hexagon, then it will make again a hexagon over here. Okay, so how do I make that? It will take move 30 steps. If I want to make 6 hexagons, again I will do 360 divided by 6. It will make 6 for me. Okay, so what I'll do, it will give 60 degree. So I will take turn again of 60 degrees. Okay, and what I'm going to do is this hexagon command, I'm just going to duplicate and moving it down. So if I move it over here, I'll do erase all and do this. See. Okay, what's happening over here? Let me check. So it repeats. It will take turn of 60 degrees, but I think it's anti-clockwise turn of 60 degrees. It ends over here. So I will take directly a turn of 60 degree. Let's see what it will make. So we need to troubleshoot a little bit. Erase all, start. 1. It's making a second over here. So it ends up over here. 1 minute.
Hi everyone, today it's Diwali. I want to make a Diwali together for my house.
Oh.
Hi everyone, today it's Diwali. I want to make a Diwali together for my house. Let's make it together.
ये collapse हो रहा है 1 minute. ये collapse हो रहा है. Hi everyone, it's Diwali in my house. Acha. नेक्स्ट साउंड ना स्टार्टिंग नहीं लेते हैं, नेक्स्ट साउंड हम लेते हैं प्ले अंटिल डन, क्योंकि दैट्स कोलैप्स विद ईच अदर. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट.
Hi everyone, today it's Diwali. Let's celebrate. I want to make a party together for my house.
लेट्स सेलिब्रेट दिवाली टुगेदर. इसको भी ले लेते हैं फिर यही वाला, क्योंकि ये दोनों ही मर्ज हो रहा है एंड ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
Hi everyone, today it's Diwali. Let's celebrate the Diwali together. I want to make a beautiful rangoli for my house. Let's make it together.
Ooh, okay, now she's making a beautiful rangoli for her house. So as you can see, there are 3 hexagons we are making. One over here. अच्छा, not 3, there are 2 only. सबसे पहली चीज, I will do one thing. I will give point in direction to my cursor, because this all happens due to point in direction. So always give your cursor a point in direction that is 90. So first click on point in direction, then click on erase all, then click on this code. Let's see. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'll click on this both and I'm taking move 30 steps again, and I will check it again what will happen. So everything set, erase all, point in direction, click on the code. Okay, so it's making the same shape on this one. So for hexagon, what should we do? Let me check this simple code first. When I click on this, ठीक है, so it's like this and move 30 step. Let me check one by. Okay, so it is moving with 30 steps. Now suppose I'm going to make 6 shapes like this way. So it's going to make a next shape here anti-clockwise. So it will say, it will take turn left and then it will start making the another shape, right? Okay, so what degree it should take turn left? So 360 divided by 6, if I want to make 6 shapes, 6 6 are 36, 60 degree. So accordingly, it should take turn left with 60 degree. Let's see. Point in direction, erase all. Let's start. Okay, and afterwards, if it is making this shape, what will happen? I'm just moving it over here. Let's see. Yes, it's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. So it's after making second shape, it's stopping over this point. So after making second shape, it stops over this point. Okay, that's fine. It means this is going to repeat the same step over and over again, right? So what I'm going to do is, I will take a outer loop. This is my outer loop, and this thing is going to repeat 6 times the same thing. Okay, let's see and what it will make. So let's start. 1. This is making second. This is making third. Fourth. Fifth. And 6th. That's done. That's what we wanted. Now what I want is, I want a small triangles inside it. So for making the triangle, nothing to worry. You're just going to do the same thing. Duplicate. If it is triangle, stop this. If it is triangle, you will do it for 3 times. Sorry, this is for 6 times, because 6 triangles you are going to make. This is for 3 times because you are going to make a triangle. See, this is the outer loop. Okay. This is the inner loop. So inner loop is making one triangle. Then you have to set the degree according to 6 shapes. You are going to make 6 triangles, right? So that's why this angle remains same. And this outer loop having count same because we have to make 6 triangles. Now, what next is I'm just going to set the color of the pen that will be different. So that was blue. So this one I'm taking a quite of green. Okay. Let's see what will happen. Erase all, point in direction, start the code. Huh? Oh, sorry. What happens is you need to change the triangle degree also, na? It will be 120 degree. How do you calculate? As we calculated 360 divided by triangle has 3 sides. So it should be 120 degree. Okay. So that's why we did not change the 120 degree. That's why it was coming like this way. One more thing. यहाँ पे हमने pen down कर दिया है, but we need to do pen up over here. Okay. Okay, just going to delete this code. So if I do this, and if I start this. This is done. Now it's making a triangle. See? Small triangles it's making inside. Ooh. Now what I want next is that it will make a small circle inside. I'm just making a duplicate of it. And actually circle will take a lot of time, but you don't, I think you know about circle command. ठीक है, तो कोई नहीं, चलो बना लेते हैं. तो for circle it will be 360 degrees. It should take 0.22 steps because वो फिर बहुत बड़ा circle बनेगा. And 1 degree turn. Rest same रहेगा. And you will take the change color block. And ये color जो है circle के लिए हम ये वाला ले लेते हैं. पेन साइज भी हमको सेट पेन साइज जो है वो 1 करना पड़ेगा फॉर द सर्कल. 1 ठीक रहेगा. 2 कर लेते हैं. चलो ठीक है. Let's do that. Erase all, point in direction and start. और मुझे टर्न भी डिफरेंट लेना होगा. 1 मिनट. ये आई थिंक कुछ ज्यादा ही छोटा सर्कल बन रहा है क्या. हाँ बन तो रहा है बट बहुत ही ज्यादा छोटा बन रहा है. और आई थिंक वेट भी मैंने बहुत लगा दिया है. ओके. वेट नहीं लगाना मुझे. हाँ ठीक है. सर्कल तो ठीक बन रहा है बट मेरे को टर्न जो है दैट वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई. टर्न हमको लेफ्ट चाहिए. ठीक है. इंस्टीड ऑफ राइट टर्न, ओ सॉरी, इंस्टीड ऑफ लेफ्ट टर्न आई विल टेक राइट. जैसे कि वो अंदर की तरफ सर्कल बनना चाहिए। यस इट्स मेकिंग, बट ना बहुत ही छोटा बन रहा है सर्कल, बहुत टाइम ले रहा है एक्चुअली सर्कल इज टेकिंग टाइम बिकॉज वन वन स्टेप आपको बनाना होता है, तो इट्स टेकिंग टाइम। तो हम सर्कल नहीं हटा रहे हैं, जस्ट फॉर योर आइडिया आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू कि आप किस तरीके से सर्कल बना सकते हो, ठीक है। आई एम नॉट रिमूविंग इट। तो इसको मैं स्टॉप करके अभी सर्कल नहीं ले रही हूँ मैं, आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अनदर शेप। लेट मी टेक पेंटागन, तो आई विल यूज 5। पेंटागन का डिग्री जो होता है दैट इज 72 डिग्री। एंड मूव स्टेप्स आपको ऑब्वियसली सेम रखना है, दैट इज 30। एंड बाकी दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। 15 डिग्री नहीं, ये 60 डिग्री आएगा। एंड दिस इज फाइन, 6 टाइम्स बनेगा, ठीक है। तो ओवरऑल एवरीथिंग इज सेटअप आई थिंक। इरेज ऑल भी मैं यहाँ पे लगा देती हूँ, पॉइंट एंड डायरेक्शन ऑलरेडी लगा हुआ है। एंड नाउ लेट्स सी द फाइनल आउटकम ऑफ द project. Let's start this. Okay, wait, let me erase first. So when this green flag click, then it will erase also.
Hi everyone, today it's Diwali. Let's celebrate the Diwali together. I want to make a beautiful rangoli for my house. Let's make it together. Oh, hexagon. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Something is wrong.
So set pen size to 5. Hexagon shape is this. Repeat 5. It is pentagon. Okay. It is pentagon. Move and it's taking a turn left because it should be left turn, left turn, left turn. The turn went wrong for this, and this should be the left turn. So this should be 60 left, and this will be the right turn. Okay, so this will be the right turn, and that is of 72. पेंटागन है ना, हाँ ठीक है 72। ओके लेट्स सी, पहले इसी को चेक कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। एंड अभी 1 मिनट, अभी ये हो गया है तो ये वेट ब्लॉक्स हटा देता है बिकॉज ये ज्यादा टाइम ले रहा है, ठीक है। इट वॉज जस्ट फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि आपको समझ आए वन बाय वन स्टेप्स जो हैं वो कैसे जा रहे हैं। इफ आई स्टार्ट दिस अगेन, टिंग टिंग टिंग, ओके सी। Oh wow, that's a beautiful Rangoli. We did this. Wow, that looks so nice, right? So, of course, I want one message afterwards. Happy Diwali. So, I'm just going to write a message. Happy Diwali. And this Happy Diwali message is of dark, something dark color. I'm just putting this to be like this and ting ting ting, and this is like happy, and this should come over here. Diwali, yeah, happy Diwali, happy Diwali. And there should be a gap between again. This is fine, this is absolutely fine. Yes, and I want to make some crackers, some crackers because it's Diwali and it's really incomplete without crackers. So that's why I'm making healthy crackers, okay? Ting 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 ting. Now I will make some dots. A ting ting tong ting tong ting tick 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 tick. This is also ting 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 ting. देखो अब लग रही है ना थोड़ा दिवाली celebration and थोड़ा bright ले लेती हूँ. Ting 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 ting. Yay, that's cool. So happy Diwali will come at the end. अभी हम लेते हैं when green flag clicked, 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 clicked. उसके बाद में I want to hide. I wanted to go some position and then when this thing happens, when the rangoli is done, then I will make a broadcast. So I'm just coming over here, make a broadcast for Diwali. I'll click OK and come over here. So it's like when I receive Diwali, you're going to show that and to the position, to the go to X and Y. And without sound, this looks really incomplete. So what I'm going to do is when backdrop switch to light. So it comes when backdrop switch to light, then one celebration sound will come. So let's celebrate. No. Let me take some music. Music. What's that? Music I want. Music. Loops I will look for. Yeah, this is good. This I will use for my Rangoli. And at the end, when Diwali will come, I want some celebration. So I want crackers. Crack. Okay. I will use clap. Clap. I will take clap. So for this, I will take a sound that's clap. My project is done. Let's start this again. Okay, so start.
Hi everyone, today it's Diwali. Let's celebrate the Diwali together. I want to make a beautiful rangoli for my house. Let's make it together.
And your Diwali project is done. This looks so beautiful. It has diya, it has rangoli, it has a beautiful Indian outfit and lots of colors, wire lights and crackers. So this is all about Diwali and everyone enjoy your Diwali celebration. You can even make this project. I'll show you, let's review it. I make diyas, okay? I did duplicate, I give them position. I hide this sprite 4 one because that comes in between my rangoli. I give the costume to my Hazel. I took the bullet sprite where I use as a pen to make a rangoli, and I wish happy Diwali to all of you at the end. So that's what we are making, and I am so happy to celebrate this with you all, and everyone enjoy your Diwali festival. Let's meet in the next live session. Till then, bye bye.